Hello students, welcome back to English class. We are going to start the topic adjective from where we left it in the previous video, okay? We have already completed adjectives and its definition in the last video. So students, today we will discuss about kinds of adjectives, okay? It means classification of adjectives. So let's start. Your topic is classification of adjective, means kinds of adjectives, okay? Kinds of adjectives, okay? So let's see. Classification of adjectives, okay? Classification of adjectives. First is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Next is adjective of quantity or number. Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjective. And next is possessive adjectives, okay? Possessive adjectives, okay? So students, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity or number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjectives, okay? So let's start with definition. First adjective is adjective of quality, okay? adjective of quality. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, it means adjectives which tell us of what kind a person, a thing is are called adjective of quality. It means वो words जो noun या pronoun की विशेषता बताते हैं, उसकी quality बताते हैं, that is adjective of quality. Okay, let's see with example. First is the girl has a sweet voice. Sweet voice. Okay. Next is the boy is naughty. There are two examples. First is the girl has a sweet voice and second is the boy is naughty. In above two sentences, a word which shows the quality of noun or pronoun are adjectives. So where is adjective in above sentences? The girl has a sweet voice. To find out adjective of quality, answer the question what kind of. Okay, so the answer is sweet. The girl has a sweet voice. What kind of voice the girl has? The answer is sweet. So sweet is an adjective in this sentence. Okay, now come to the next one. The boy is naughty. Answer the question what kind of the boy is? The answer is naughty. Okay, so naughty is an adjective because naughty shows the quality of the boy. Naughty shows the quality of the noun. Okay, here sweet shows the quality of the voice. Voice कैसी है उसकी? Sweet है. Okay, sweet means मधुर. तो उसकी voice की quality क्या है गर्ल की? गर्ल की voice की quality है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा sweet है. So sweet is an adjective because this word shows the quality of the voice. Okay. Second is the boy is naughty. What kind of the boy is? The answer is naughty because this word shows the quality of the boy. Okay, it means naughty is an adjective in this sentence. Clear? Okay students, now come to the next one. Adjective of quantity or number. Quantity means होता है बेटा मात्रा. जब हम किसी चीज़ को मापते हैं, उसका परिमाण ज्ञात करते हैं या उसका नंबर. Okay, it means adjective, a word which shows the quantity or number of a noun or pronoun, that is adjective of quantity or number. Okay, let's see with definition and examples also. Adjectives which tell us how much or how many. A noun or pronoun is. Are called adjective of quantity or number. Adjective of quantity or number. Okay. Adjectives which tell us how much, how many a noun or pronoun is, okay, a thing is. That is adjective of quantity or number. Let's see with examples. First is Tagore wrote many plays. Next is there are 20 girls in the class. There are 20 girls in the class. Third is give me some money, etc. Okay. So students, there are 3 examples. Tagore wrote many plays. Next is there are 20 girls in the class. Next is give me some money. Okay. So the words many, 20 and some are adjectives, okay, because each noun has an adjective, okay, which tell us how much or how many, okay. These are adjective of quantity or number, like many, 20, some, etc. okay. Tagore wrote many plays. How many plays? Many plays, okay. So a word many is an adjective in this sentence. Next is there are 20 girls in the class. How many girls? 20. So 20 is an adjective of number, okay. Next is give me some money. How much money? Some money, okay. So some is an adjective of quantity or number. I have already taught a word which shows the quantity or number, that is adjective of quantity or number, okay. So in above sentences many, 20, some, they are adjective of quantity or number. To find out quantity or number, adjective of quantity or number, answer the question how much, how many, okay, and the answer will be the adjective of quantity or number. Clear? So in a simple way we can say that a noun which is countable, that is adjective of number, okay. A noun which is countable, it means countable nouns are adjective of number and uncountable nouns are adjective of quantity, okay. So Tagore wrote many plays. Many plays, बहुत सारे plays रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखे, ठीक है. Can we count it? Yes, absolutely. So it means many. In this sentence many is an adjective, okay, adjective of number, because we count that place, okay. उनके जितने भी place लिखे हुए हैं we can count it easily. It means that is adjective of number, adjective of number, okay. Next is there are 20 girls in the class. How many girls? 20. We can count it easily, na. So 20 is an adjective of number because we can count it. Adjective of number. Next is give me some money. How much money? Some money. Can we count some money? Some means थोड़ा, कुछ, okay. तो हमें नहीं पता कि कितने exactly. So we cannot count it. It means Some is an adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity. Let's see with another example. There are little hope. There are little hope of victory. Okay, in this sentence there are little hope of victory. Victory की जो hope है वो बहुत ज़्यादा little है, थोड़ी है, कम है. Okay, so here where is an adjective? Absolutely little. But which kind of adjective is this? Little. There are little hope of victory. विक्ट्री की, हमारी जीत की जो होप है, आशा है, वो बहुत ही थोड़ी है. तो यहाँ पर जो थोड़ा शब्द है लिटिल, कैन बी काउंटेड? नो. सो हियर द वर्ड लिटिल इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. ओके, नॉट नंबर, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट काउंट इट इजिली. सो लिटिल इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो हियर many, Tagore wrote many place, many we can count that place. It means adjective of number. Next is there are 20 girls in the class, we can count it easily 20. So it means 20 is an adjective of number. Next is give me some money. How much money? Some money. So here some is an adjective of quantity because we cannot count how much money. Okay. Next is there are little hope of victory. How much hope? Little hope. We cannot count it the hope. Okay. It means little is an adjective of quantity in this sentence. I hope everything is clear. So come to the next one, demonstrative adjective. Okay, let's see with definition of demonstrative adjective. So now come to the next one, demonstrative adjective. Definition of demonstrative adjective. Okay, a word which describe a specific person, place or thing are called demonstrative adjective. A word which describe specific person, place or things are called demonstrative adjective. Okay, let's see with examples also. A word which describes a specific person, place, things are demonstrative adjective. Specific person, place or thing. It means the word which is point out the things or person that is spoken about. Okay, let's see with example. First is this is my pen. Okay, next is that is your dog. Third is these are my shirts. Okay, those mangoes are sweet. Okay, so here this is my pen, that is your dog, these are my shirts, those mangoes are sweet. Okay, so a word which describes a specific person, place or thing are demonstrative adjectives. So here which word shows, which words point out the thing. Find out that word. This is my pen. Okay, that is your dog. These are my shirts. Those mangoes are sweet. Okay, so this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjective because they answer the question which. Okay, which is my pen? This is my pen. So the word this is an demonstrative adjective. Which is your dog? That is your dog. Okay, a word which we point out. So it means that is your dog. That is an adjective. These are my shirts. Which? These. Okay, so these is an adjective. Those mangoes are sweet. Those is an adjective. This is my pen. That is your dog. These are my shirts. Those mangoes are sweet. So here word this, that, these, those are demonstrative adjective. Okay, so it is clear that the adjectives in the above sentences are used to point out the thing or person that is spoken about. Okay, so I think it's clear. Come to the next one, interrogative adjective. Okay, so let's start with definition of interrogative adjective. Which ask which qualifies a noun are called interrogative adjective. Let's see the examples. First example is whose pen is this. Next is which book do you want? So students, there are two examples. First is whose pen is this? ये किसकी पेन है? Which book do you want? कौन सी बुक हमें चाहिए? Okay. So here there is question word in the above sentences. Yes, whose and which. Both are question words. According to the definition, question words which qualifies a noun are called interrogative adjectives. So in the above sentences, whose and which, both words are interrogative adjectives because whose and which ask question in the above sentences. Okay, so it means question words are called interrogative adjectives. Not only question words which qualifies a noun are called interrogative adjectives. So here whose pen is this? Whose जो है वो पेन के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है. ये पेन किसकी है? इसको क्वालिफाई कर रहा है. नाउन को. Which book do you want? कौन सी बुक तुम्हें चाहिए? नाउन को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है which. Okay. So here whose and which, both words are interrogative adjective because both words ask question in the above sentences. Okay. I hope it's clear. Now come to the next one. That is possessive adjective. Today is too hot, but we have to read it. So let's see the definition. Possessive adjectives. Okay. A word which shows possession. Which chalk, yes. A word which shows possession. A word which shows possession on a noun are possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives. Okay, a word which shows possession on a noun are possessive adjective. Let's see with examples. This is my watch. Next is, that is your dog. That is your dog. Next is, this is my class. Okay, this is my class. So here, this is my watch. Next sentence is, that is your dog. This is my class. So a word which shows possession on a noun are called possessive adjectives. So in above sentences, this is my dog, that is your dog, this is my class. Which word shows the possession? Answer the question. My. This is my watch. Okay, whose watch is this? My. इस पर किसका possession है, किसका अधिकार है? मेरी watch है, तो obvious सी बात है कि मेरा ही इस पे अधिकार होगा, मेरा ही possession होगा. So here the word which shows the possession on a thing, which shows the possession on a noun are called possessive adjectives. So here word my is a possessive adjective because my shows my possession. Okay, on the watch. Next is, that is your dog. Whose dog? That is your dog. Okay, so here the word your is an possessive adjective. This is my class. My is a possessive adjective. So here my, your, my tells us whose a thing is. चीज़ें किसकी हैं, इन चीज़ों पर किसका अधिकार है. ओके, किसका possession है. So these words are possessive adjectives because these words tells whose a thing is. Okay, so these are possessive adjectives. So in this class we did adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjectives. Okay, so students, I think I have already taken sufficient time, so it's over for today. Next time we will meet with a new video very soon. Okay.